Tired of blackheads, large pores, and uneven skin? There's a reason millions of people call this the holy grail of exfoliants, Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid. With 2% salicylic acid and green tea extract, this lightweight liquid clears out pores, dissolves blackheads, and smooths your skin without irritation. It's a leave-on exfoliant, no scrubbing, no rinsing, just glow. Users on Amazon say their skin feels clearer, softer, and more radiant within weeks. It's fragrance-free, dermatologist-approved, and perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. Pros: fast results for smoother, brighter skin. Shrinks pores and reduces blackheads. Lightweight, no sticky residue. Gentle enough for daily use. Cons: may cause mild purging in the first weeks. Can feel drying if overused. Moisture and sunscreen are a must. Want your skin to glow effortlessly? Check out the link below to grab your authentic Paula's Choice BHA on Amazon and start your clear skin journey today.